So in this RBC Mobile App tutorial video, I'll be showing you guys how to transfer money between different accounts using the RBC Mobile application. So once you open up RBC, pretty straightforward. Just go to the bottom bar here and press on the yellow button. Once you're here, I want you to go where it says transfer between my accounts. Now, once you're on this screen, you can go ahead and select the account you're looking to transfer from, the amount, and then the account, also the date. So, for example, if you wanted to put $100 from your checking account into your savings account, where it says from, you'd press checking. Where it says amount, you'd press 100. Where it press select account, you'd press savings. And then for the frequency or the amount or the date, you can edit that as you wish. Then it'll press continue. Then you can proceed with the transaction that way. So very simple, very straightforward. This is how to transfer money between accounts on the RBC mobile app. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this video helps.